5 healthy benefits of blueberries. Blueberries are some of the healthiest fruits around, and that's saying a lot, seeing as fruits of all shapes and sizes are extremely healthy. While they can be a little on the expensive side, blueberries are also extremely convenient to eat, taste great, especially with yogurt, and are available year-round. For those reasons, you should add them to your diet. Not convinced? Well, keep listening, and I'll share 5 ways that blueberries improve your health. 1. They are extremely high in antioxidants. Blueberries are extremely high in antioxidants. These are substances that combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals being molecules that cause damage to cells that eventually break through and lead to premature aging and cancer. Blueberries are widely believed to contain among the highest antioxidant counts of any fruits and vegetables, which makes them extremely effective at slowing aging and preventing cancer. Those are 2 extremely compelling reasons to get more of them. 2. They're high in flavonoids. Blueberries are also extremely high in flavonoids. These are substances found in many earth-grown foods that have a host of beneficial properties. Not only are flavonoids often antioxidants themselves, but they are also extremely useful at boosting the metabolism and strengthening the immune system. They have many more miraculous properties that we have yet to fully explore. 3. Blueberries combat bad cholesterol. Contrary to popular belief, cholesterol is not a bad thing in itself. Cholesterol can become harmful under certain circumstances, however, such as when it becomes oxidized. For this reason, blueberries have been shown to lower the bad kind of cholesterol, LDL, by as much as 27% over 8 weeks. They can also lower blood pressure. 4. They support brain function. The antioxidants in blueberries have been shown in several studies to help protect areas of the brain specifically relating to intelligence. They also help to support the lifespan of aging brain cells and help you to support stronger signalizing between them. Several studies show that blueberries can actually make you perform better on cognitive tests and may help to delay mental aging by up to 2.5 years. 5. They are nutrient-dense but low in calories. There are many more amazing benefits of blueberries, but what's incredible is that you get all of these without having to consume a large number of calories. Blueberries are high in the good stuff and low in the calories, so there's no reason to eat lots.